Yo, what is up, fellow vloggers? It's your boy Logan Paul back with an epic Let's Play. Okay, jeez. For those who couldn't tell, I'm not Logan Paul. I'm Wyatt. So loser, you can't touch this. Boo doo doo doo. Doo doo. Can't touch this. Alright, let's go. Let's go. I can't go. I'm gonna go. I know, why aren't you gone? Why aren't you gone? Go! Oh yeah, I forgot to say welcome back to Earthbound. Last time I was Jeff. Yeah, what's up, loser? Yeah, what's up, losers? Yeah, what's up, loser? Wanna tussle with the muscle? Sorry, my tongue got in the way when I said muscle. Yeah, what's up, goat boy? Goat boy? Goat boy? Yeah. Okay, well, I don't know why that part exists if I can't even friggin'... Alright. Okay. Where do I go? Do I talk to more of these people? Because, like, it really doesn't seem like I've gone anywhere different. Yeah. I just want to talk to more of these people. You're right, we're at the Lake Tess. Wait, is she Tessie? We're known as Tessie Watching Club. So you've bitten. So you've also been bitten by Tessie Mania? Oh, you're in luck. We may be able to see Tessie tomorrow. I can't wait. Should I like just walk back? Ryan, cut till I do something. Do it. Do it, Ryan. Don't fight me on this. Do it. Do it, Ryan. Stop resisting, Ryan. Ryan, do it. Do it. Ryan. Ryan, do it. Do it! Okay. Why, hello, I wonder if there are any monkeys around. You know, they say that Tessie is friendly with monkeys. There was a monkey in the shop. Could I get Tessie to come out here with a monkey? Dude, I need the monkey. I need the monkey then. Ryan, you can stop the cut right here. When will I just run into a dog and it'll be like, oh, you won. See if I even care, dude, because I figured out that I need a monkey. Yeah, that's right, dog. First, you're gonna get tame, and second, you're gonna freaking take my yelling at you. Cause I just figured it out, dude, by talking to people. Dude. I need a monkey. How am I gonna get a monkey? How am I gonna get a monkey? No, there was just you were just, not dealing with freaking two at a time. Yeah, bring it. Yeah, what happened to when I walk into you and you just, okay. Has a big grin on his face. Yeah, do ya? Check it. You just lost, playa. Yeah, oh my gosh, I do not care. Goat! Gruff boy. Dad dog. The dog. A goat. Yeah, bring it, dog. Bring it. Bring it. Freaking just freaking hit you with the back of my hand like I'm a freaking pimp.
Pimp Jeff in the house. That's right, dog. You better pay up your money.
That's not at all what freaking Jeff's gonna sound like. He's going to sound like this. No, he's gonna freaking, his voice has to, can't be like, has to be like, I'm Jeff. Yeah, like that. Oh gosh. How come some runaway dogs I can just walk into and they'll be like, hey, don't, man, don't even try to hit me, man. It's cool, man, it's cool. Just here's my wallet. Where? Gotta get the monkey. Gotta get the monkey. What's up, monkey? What do you want? Yeah? 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 Do I have any goods that a monkey would like to see? Broken air gun, bread roll, cookie, boiled egg. Boiled egg? No, I would probably just eat it. Protractor. What would a monkey want with a protractor? Pop gun? No. That's my weapon. Broken air gun. What do you want, monkey? What? There's a monkey at the entrance. Take the monkey, he's really noisy. If you buy a pack of bubble gum, you can have the monkey for free. Otherwise, he will cost you $1. So do you want him? Yes, I want the monkey. Anything else sure after you get rid of something? Oh yeah. I'll get rid of a cookie. No, wait. Yeah, I'll get rid of a cookie. Yeah. Okay, yeah, give me the monkey. This pulls out like a $50 bill. Give me the monkey. I want the monkey. You want him? Yes, I want the monkey. Give me the monkey. Monkey. Yeah. Yeah. Why is it white or gray? Is that like the gum that you get straight from a tree? The bubble monkey joins you. Bubble monkey? Oh, I loved bubble monkey. Wait, did he just? Okay, yeah, bubble monkey. Oh my god, his name is Bubble Monkey. Do you even fathom how much I love that? Bubble Monkey, you want, oh yeah, he's running more from me, okay. What if everybody's just scared of me now that I have a Bubble Monkey? Come on, Bubble Monkey. Oh man, I know what to do now. Because I talk to people. I figured it out. Bubble Monkey, you're gonna have to keep up if you want to be with the crew. Yeah, bring it. Yeah. Please don't hurt my monkey. He's just a tiny little bubble monkey. Ooh. Bubble Monkey attack. Bubble Monkey attacks people, dude. Dude, I want this Bubble Monkey forever. I want Bubble Monkey forever. I don't care. I don't care about the bread roll. Yeah, I don't care about the bread roll. monkey, bubble monkey. Come on, bubble monkey. We have some boys to impress. Alright, come here, bubble monkey, right here. Around here. Goods? Yo, bubble monkey, do your thing. Check, no problem. Okay, well, Really the one is on load. Chew. Yeah, like I'm patching the hold. As you got it's my given. Personally, I think so. Okay. Whoa. Go, sir. Go, sir. You are in my way. Something. Where do you think you're going, baby? Shake a piece of gum? Maybe monkeys don't like gum. Go, okay. You're right. We're here at Lake Tess, waiting to see Tessie. We're known as Tessie. Yeah, okay. I've been to Tessie. Yeah, maybe to see Tessie more. Okay, wait. Cook Tessie watch club. How about you know? Alright. Just go. Where do I use bubble monkey?
No, walk down.
Welcome back. Ryan's dumb and is here now. What do I do?
Wait, go sleep in the tent.
I already slept in the tent.
We'll do it again. I'm pretty sure you're going the wrong way.
Every single animal was there. What do you mean going the wrong way? There's
the tent that you sleep in.
There's two. Well, there's one tent that I go in, and I've slept in it. There's two guys in it. There's another one where there's one guy with binoculars. So there's two.
There should be one down there with all of the other ones.
Well, that guy didn't offer to rest. He just offered stew.
Okay.
Die!
Okay, well then go to the one that offers rest.
Okay. Oh my gosh. Yeah, what's up? What's freaking up, bros? Yeah, eat the cookie. You freaking. Run away from me like the crow you are. Yeah. What's up, dude? What's up, bros? I got a monkey! Yeah.
Wait, so is it daytime or nighttime outside?
I don't know.
Because... Oh, you didn't... I think it's nighttime. Go to the one that offers you stew.
What's up, crow?
There's one down there where there's a guy and he lets you sleep, and then you step outside the tent and it's daytime.
Oh, that's weird. Stew makes the day come, guys. Stew summons the sun god Ra. What's up, freaking bro? Yeah. Give me the stew. I don't care. You're a friend you've met before. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know. Yeah. Jeff fixed a broken spray can. In his sleep? Well, that's nice. Defense spray? Cool. Whoa, it's bright in here.
No, it's daytime. Now you go to the right.
Yeah, okay, yeah, I know what to do now. Thanks, Ryan.
Okay. Are you sure you know what to do now?
So super. Yeah, I know what to do now. Get out of here. Get out of here, photo guy. Just takes like a freaking champagne bottle, breaks it. It's like, get out of here.
There was a Molotov cocktail.
Jeff, you didn't even pose for the picture, Jeff.
Only Ness does that.
Is this guy called Balloon Monkey?
I don't know, I just call him the monkey.
Oh, cause I thought it said Bubble Monkey before, and I'm unsure, but I'm calling him Bubble Monkey.
Okay, cool. Well, how about next time you actually walk around and talk to people?
I did walk around and talk to people. That's how I figured out that I needed a monkey, Ryan.
Did you talk to that guy before or after you got the monkey?
Which guy?
The guy that gives you the stew.
I've talked to him like 5 times.
Before or after the monkey?
Like, it's evenly spread.
Alright, well.
Freaking Ryan.
I don't know.
Ryan sucks.
I'm editing that out, by the way.
Well, now Nessie's Whoa, okay. Whoa. Well, alright. No, take me. Wait, I need... Well, okay. Wait, she's coming back. Are they? Yes. I would enjoy Nessie's face more thoroughly if I wasn't so agitated. Because Ryan has accused me of not talking to people. When, hey, if I'm genuinely not interested in having some stew, I don't want stew. I want answers. And if that guy didn't offer freaking some sleep, then I would have eaten it up. But he didn't, so, Ryan can suck an acorn. Yes! 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 Thank you, Nessie. Thank you. Thank you, Nessie. You're so cool. So cool. Well, actually, I don't know how much Ryan is gonna edit out, because I did so much walking around doing absolutely nothing. So I'm just gonna keep going right now. Yeah, goats. 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 No, stop. Let's do this. Yeah, no goats. Yeah, okay, yeah, goats. I don't know what it means when it's green. Chances surprise to opening attack. Oh, cool. Bobo Monkey attacks. 1 HP to Gruff Goat. Jeff attacks. 27 HP to Gruff Goat. I even trampled you. What? Jeff attacks. Gruff Goat dodged quickly. No. No, I don't take that for an answer. He's made a good team. You won! I leveled up. Still kinda mad. Cool, a cave and a pencil. Huh. What's in here? This dungeon has no entrance fee. Come on in. Okay. Brick road. Just brick road? Okay, well, I'm gonna go in there next time. See ya, guys. Wow, I'm still kinda mad right now. Alright, Bye.